normalize 11 kV. So going to off the supply and dismantle the genset cable. Afterwards, reconnect back the original cable and on back the power supply. Okay, currently here is on live. Later on, after the power supply is shut down, we're going to remove this installation. Okay, there are two genset installation here. One is at the LV board, the other one is at the transformer LV side. This is a transformer LV side. So later on, after shutdown of power supply, this insulator's cone we're going to remove, and then we're going to dismantle the genset cable by opening up the bolt and nut over here. After opening up the bolt and nut, then this cable will be removed, then the original cable will join back to the respected places as original. So now we are just waiting for the TNB 11 kV supply to normalize back to confirm no problem. Then we're going to start doing the normalization process. Okay, the genset has just been turned off. Now it's using the building genset. Alright, so we have to isolate, proof circuit dead, no voltage, no live, and then discharge it and then start the work.